All right, let me show you the actual baskets for the air fryer that we have. I do have a Ninja circular. They do have the square, all right? And if you guys can see, they're silicone, so they're gonna be fire resistant, and also you can put up these in the dishwasher. Now, out of the box, they were a little squishy, so you gotta have to train them into folding into there. But look at that. So now you could just put all your ingredients, everything you need to cook here in one basket, and you could simply take out one basket and put the other one. That's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna keep frying stuff in there, and then when it's ready to take out the next one and throw it in. Look how simple it is. Now, of course, I'm doing this with one hand, but I would get you know, two hands, of course. And any oils or excessive stuff, it's not gonna go down there, which is hard to clean on these things. The best thing is to clean these. These are simple out of the box. Now, when you get them, make sure you rinse them out and dry them out, right, prior to using them. One of the other best things I like about these baskets is that you could use these and have them ready. So I'm gonna dry it up. We washed it. I'm gonna have this one ready because we're gonna throw a couple of at a time. So let's go ahead and start our recipe. So there's one right here. Put it in here. The other one goes in there. We're gonna put the first batch in there, all right? Zucchini sticks go in there. Close it up. I'm gonna put 450 on this one. So let's power it up. Temperature 400. That's the maximum good time. We're gonna do 10 minutes. 15 minutes or 10 minutes, somewhere around there. 15 minutes. We'll try 15 minutes. We're gonna flip these over. 10 minutes passed, all right? Ooh, they're looking good. Now we're gonna have to be careful how we take the basket out. I'm actually gonna take the next basket out and pull these out for now. Okay. Put the next set in for now. Spray them before you go in there. Tongues for this one. Look at that. This is not the hot one. Put them in there, another 10 minutes. So I put Parmesan on them, and I'm gonna put them back in for another minute or two, and then cook, see how crispy they come out. I'm gonna reuse it without washing it. Just took out the breadcrumbs from the other one. Simple. We'll put the next one in. Overall, the silicone baskets make a great addition to your fryer. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video.